Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to change orientation on your Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get started. So, as a first step, click on this digital crown to open applications on your watch. After this, click on Settings and go to the General. And right here you'd be able to see this tab Orientation. So, here you'd be able to see two options, wrist and digital crown. If you are right-handed, it will be better if you will choose right on both of these. If you are left-handed, choose left on both of these options. And the screen will turn immediately, so it will be more comfortable for you if you are left-handed. And that's it. If you want to switch back to the right, choose on the both options right. And that's it. Now you know how to change orientation on your Apple Watch Series 9. That was it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.